If your Windows desktop still looks like it came straight out of the box, we need to fix that right now. First thing, dark mode. Right-click on your desktop and select Personalization, click Colors, and switch the mode to dark. That one change alone transforms how everything looks. Cleaner, easier on the eyes, and it makes every customization we're about to do hit even harder. Now head over to windhawk.net, hit download, and run the executable file and install the app. Once it opens, you'll see a mod marketplace. This is where the magic happens. It lets you customize Windows in ways Microsoft never intended, and it takes less than 2 minutes to set up. First, the taskbar. Here's what it looks like right now. Centerlined, bloated, boring. Search for Windows 11 taskbar styles in the mod marketplace and install it. Now you can select your desired taskbar style from the menu and note down its name. Scroll all the way to the top and select Settings. Click the Theme drop-down menu and select the style you chose earlier, and click Save Settings, and that's it. Your taskbar is now customized. Now install the taskbar height and icon size mod. Dial the height down, adjust the icon size, and watch what happens. That same taskbar now looks clean, minimal, and intentional. Night and day. Now the Start menu. This is what everyone's been complaining about since Windows 11 launched. Pinned app grid, recommended section eating up half the screen. It's a mess. Search for Start menu style in Windhawk and install it. In the settings, select your style of Start menu and save the settings. And just like that, your Start menu goes from a solid white block to a clean, frosted glass look that actually blends with your desktop. Last one, and this one is slept on. The File Explorer Styler mod. Your default File Explorer is plain, flat, and hasn't really changed in years. Search for Windows 11 File Explorer Styler in the Windhawk Marketplace. Install it, and you can completely restyle the toolbar, the header, and the overall look of Explorer to match your setup. Before, stock and forgettable. After, styled, sharp, and actually matches the rest of your desktop. And that's it. A few clicks, zero costs, and your desktop went from stock and boring to something that actually looks like yours. Stay ahead. Peace.